Hey guys! So with the summer in full swing, I've noticed a lot more people in need out and about. What's worse is that these poor guys are completely neglected by our community. And sadly, they're out there for ages. Using lawnmowers, leaf blowers, and pressure washers that are way too loud for their ears. So rather than ignoring this issue and watching these guys ruin their hearing, I thought, why not get some hearing protection and give it to someone who needs it before it's too late? And today, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Cue the music. Hey, here you go, man.
These will keep me going for months.
Yeah, they'll protect your ears.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you so much. God bless. God bless.
Alright, have a good one.